Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Umay's Table. I'm back with a very easy recipe for this beautiful dessert which I call Berry Blast. It is really simple to make, and for this dessert you will need 4 large egg whites, 2 cups of strawberries roughly chopped, 1.5 cups of caster sugar. In case you don't find berries, you can simply use its flavoring, 2 packs of whipping cream, and 10 grams of unflavored gelatin. I begin with blending the strawberries to a fine puree. Strain the puree and set aside. I start beating the egg whites on high speed until stiff peaks are formed. To the egg whites, I add the caster sugar and continue beating on medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. To the egg whites, I add the strawberry pulp. I fold in the strawberry pulp very lightly. Now I prepare the unflavored gelatin following the instructions given on the pack. So now I pour in the gelatin. Give it a good mix. So now I pour this into little cups and let this set in the fridge for an hour. So while they set, let's make the whipping cream, for which to 200 ml of chilled milk I add 2 packs of whipping cream. Beat this on high speed for 2 to 3 minutes. So now that the whipping cream is ready, I simply fill in a piping bag and let this chill in the freezer for 10 minutes. So now that the desserts are set, I top them with whipping cream. Also top these with a slice of strawberry which I've cut using a heart-shaped cookie cutter. So there you go, a really simple and easy recipe for this beautiful dessert which could be made on any occasion. Hope you've liked the video. Thank you for watching. Jazakallah khair.